Exercise 4.3, the fourth sum. So first let us consider the present age of Ragman is X years. It is given that 3 years ago his age will be, 3 years ago means it should be X minus 3. So present age is X, 3 years ago means X minus 3 years. And also it is given 5 years from now his age is. So 5 years from now means after 5 years means, so that should be X plus 5 years. Now by the given condition, the sum of the reciprocals of his age. So addition, sum means addition, and reciprocal of his ages is equal to 1 by 3 years. Which means already this is the first age, X minus 3, the second age is X plus 5. Its reciprocal means 1 by X minus 3, 1 by X plus 5. So sum of, which means we have to add these two. When we add these two, we will be getting 1 by 3. Now by simplification, by taking LCM, which means we have to multiply denominator into denominator, and by taking the cross multiplication, it is equal to 1 by 3. So 1 into X plus 5 means X plus 5, and 1 into X minus 3 means X minus 3. So here X into X, then X into plus 5, that is plus 5X, then minus 3 into X is minus 3X, minus 3 into 5 is minus 15. So 1X plus 1X is equal to 2X, 5 minus 3 is 2. So here it is X square, then 5X minus 3X means 2X, and minus 15 is equal to 0. Now by cross multiplication, that is 3 into 2x plus 2 is equal to 1 into x square plus 2x minus 15. So on simplification we will be getting x square minus 4x minus 21 equal to 0. Now we have to solve and we have to find the value of x. Question number 5. The sum of the marks of Shefali is given as 30, which means max plus English is equal to 30. Now let us consider Shefali's marks in max is x, which means marks in English means the total mark minus x, that is 30 minus x. Now the given condition, if she has got 2 more marks in max, which means x plus 2. Suppose if she has got 3 marks less in English, less means minus. So already English mark is 30 minus x minus 3. So 30 minus 3 is 27, so 27 minus x. Now by the given condition, the product of the marks is equal to 210, which means max mark is x plus 2 and English mark is 27 minus x. So x plus 2 into 27 minus x is equal to 210. So by continuous product, x into 27 is 27x, x into minus x is minus x square. 2 into 27 is plus 54. 2 into minus x is minus 2x is equal to 210. So on simplification, we will be getting x square minus 25x plus 156 equal to 0. And then we have to solve and we have to find the value of x. Okay. So solving can be done in either quadratic formula method or completing the square method. Question number 6. There is a rectangular field, okay, rectangular field, there is a shorter side and a longer side, okay, length and breadth, okay. Let us consider the shorter side of the rectangular field as x, so this side we have considered as x, and the longer side let us consider as x plus 30, because 30 meters more than the shorter side, so this length x plus 30. Now the diagonal length, which means 60 more than the shorter side, which means x plus 60. So this is diagonal. Now let us consider, since it is a right angle triangle, so by Pythagoras theorem, the hypotenuse square, that is AC square, is equal to AB square plus BC square. So accordingly AB is x plus 30 the whole square plus BC is x square is equal to AC is x plus 60 the whole square. So this is in the form of a plus b the whole square form. So a square plus 2ab means 2 into 30 is 60x plus 30 square means 900 plus x square is equal to, here also a plus b the whole square form. A square plus 2ab plus b square. So 60 square means 3600 and 2ab means 2 into 60 is 120x. Okay, and now let us bring everything on to the left hand side. So x square plus x square is 2x square plus 60x plus 900 minus x square minus 120x minus 3600. So on simplification, 2x square minus 1x square is 1x square, and 60x let it be remain as it is. Okay, so 60x, and the next one is 900 minus 3600 is minus 2700. Actually there are two x terms, 160 plus 60x minus 120x. So when we simplify, it is minus 60x, and then we have to solve either formula method or completing the square method. Question number 7. Let us consider the larger number is x, and it is also given the smaller number square is equal to 8 times of the larger number. So smaller number square is equal to 8 times of the larger number means x. So 8x. By taking square root, the smaller number is equal to square root of 8x, because this is under square. So we have to take square root. So smaller number is equal to square root of 8x. Also it is given in the condition the difference of the squares of two numbers, which means difference means subtraction. So larger number square minus smaller number square is equal to 180. So larger number already we have considered as x. So x square minus square root of 8x the whole square is equal to 180. So on squaring, this becomes 8x square, and this is square root and square can be cancelled. So 8x is equal to 180. Therefore this is x square minus 8x minus 180 is equal to 0. Now we have to solve either quadratic formula method or completing the square method, and we have to find the value of x. Question number 8. The total distance travelled by the train is 3600 km. Let us consider the speed of the train is x km per hour, the uniform speed. Now time taken formula already we know. So time taken is equal to total distance travelled divided by the speed. So total distance is 360 and the speed is x. Now if the speed is increased by 5 km per hour, then the time taken is 360 divided by x plus 5. Now in the condition it is given that when the speed is increased, then the time is reduced by 1 hour. So when we increase the speed, the time is reduced by 1 hour, which means, so this is the after increasing the speed. So 360 divided by x plus 5 is equal to, this is the initial time taken, 360 divided by x minus 1, because this is 1 hour is reduced. Therefore when you bring the 360 by x to the left hand side, that becomes minus 360 by x is equal to minus 1. Now let us take 360 as a common term out, so that it becomes 1 by x plus 5 minus 1 by x is equal to minus 1. So by taking LCM, x plus 5 into x, and by taking cross multiplication, 1 into x is x and 1 into x plus 5 is x plus 5, and make it as a minus symbol over here. Now let us insert the minus symbol, that is minus x minus 5, so plus x minus x will be cancelled. So 360 into minus 5 is equal to, this is x square plus 5x. So I can multiply over with minus 1, that is minus 1 into x square plus 5x. So this is minus x square minus 5x. So bring everything on left hand side, we will be getting the equation as x square plus 5x minus 1800 is equal to 0. Now we have to solve by quadratic formula method or completing the square method to find the value of x. Question number 9. The total time for filling the tank is 3 by 8 hours, which means when you make the mixed fraction as an improper fraction, that becomes 9 into 8, 72 plus 3 is 75 by 8 hours. Now let us consider the time taken by a small pipe is x hours, and time taken by a large pipe is x minus 10 hours. Okay. Now the part of a tank is filled by a small pipe in 1 hour is 1 by x. Similarly, the part of the tank filled by the larger pipe in 1 hour is 1 by x minus 10. Now the given condition, the total time into sum of the part filled, okay, the total time into sum of the part filled is equal to 1 hour of filling the tank, okay, which means the total time is 75 by 8 into sum of the part filled means 1 by x plus 1 by x minus 10 is equal to 1. So we have to simplify the fraction now by taking LCM x into x minus 10, okay, and by cross multiplication 1 into x minus 10 means x minus 10 plus 1 into x is x. Now x 1x plus 1x is 2x minus 10 divided by x into x will be x square, then x into minus 10 is minus 10x equal to 1. Now this 75 has to be multiplied with 2x minus 10, and similarly 8 has to be multiplied with x square minus 10x. So this is 75 into 2x is 150x minus 75 into 10 is 750 divided by 8 into x square is 8x square, 8 into minus 10x is minus 80x is equal to 1. Now this denominator has to be multiplied with 1, and then we have to bring everything to the left hand side, and finally we get 8x square minus 230x plus 750 equal to 0. Now this has to be simplified by completing the square method or formula method to find the value of x. Question number 10. The total distance traveled is 132 km. Okay. Let us consider the speed of the passenger train is x km per hour and the speed of the express train is x plus 11 km per hour. Okay. Now time taken by the passenger train is total distance divided by the speed, that is 132 by x hours. Similarly, the time taken for the express train is 132 divided by x plus 11 hours. Now it is given that the difference between the timing is equal to 1 hour, okay, which means 132 divided by x minus 132 divided by x plus 11 is equal to 1. That is, when you take 132 as a common term out, it becomes 1 by x minus 1 by x plus 11 is equal to 1. So by taking LCM x into x. Question number 11. The perimeter of a first square is x meters, and similarly the perimeter of a second square is equal to x plus 24 meters. So perimeter means sum of the all the four sides, that is known as perimeter. So let us consider the length of the first square is x by 4, because the perimeter means sum of all the four sides. So one side means that should be divided by 4. So first square is x by 4, and the perimeter, the length of the second square is x plus 24 divided by 4. Now let us find out the area of the first square. The formula for area of a square is side into side. So this is x by 4 into x by 4, that is x square by 16. 4 into 4 is 16. Similarly, for the area of the second square is x plus 24 divided by 4 the whole square, which means both numerator and denominator has to be squared. Now in the given condition, sum of the areas of two squares is equal to 468. So the first square's area is x square by 16. The second square is x plus 24 by 4 the whole square. Now this is x plus 24 the whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square form. So 24 square is 576 and 2ax means 2 into 24 is 48x. And similarly for the denominator is 4 square is 16. Now by taking 16 as LCM, so x square plus x square is 2x square. Then 48x plus 576 is equal to 468, and this 16 has to be multiplied with 468, will be getting 7488. Now on simplification we will be getting x square plus 24x minus 3456 is equal to 0. Now this has to be simplified.